What's the meaning of badass? Badass. Badass.
Badass. Badass. The term badass is often used to describe someone who is tough, fearless, and independent. It is a slang term that originated in the United States and has since spread around the world. A person who is considered a badass is usually seen as someone who is respected and admired for their strength, courage, and determination. They are not afraid to take risks or stand up for themselves, and they often have a rebellious streak. In popular culture, there are many examples of characters who embody the qualities of a badass, from action heroes to musicians and athletes. Overall, being a badass is seen as a positive trait in modern society, representing strength, individualism, and self-confidence.